Hi guys, welcome to Service SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to learn about relationship data types like master detail relationship, lookup relationship and external lookup relationship in Salesforce. In these three, most important relationships are master detail and lookup relationship. The lookup relationship does not depend on parent object, whereas a master detail relationship has dependency with parent object. Child can be created without parent in lookup, but in the master details, parent is must for a child. Consider a delivery service company. A delivery schedule needs to be always linked to a delivery location. If we remove a delivery location from our list, then all the related delivery schedules should also be deleted automatically because you cannot do delivery if the location is not deliverable. This kind of dependency can be achieved through a master detail relationship between the delivery location and the delivery schedule in Salesforce objects. In the same scenario, a delivery agent can have multiple deliveries to complete. So, a single agent can be linked to multiple deliveries and the deliveries can look up to the same agent. But if the delivery agent got relieved before his delivery, agent details will be deleted, but delivery details will be stayed. This can be achieved using the lookup relationship field. The lookup relationship is just a reference. It can even be blank or null. But in master details, as I already said, parent is must. An external lookup relationship links a child object to a parent external object. Let me explain master detail relationship and lookup relationship through a demo. For explaining this relationship, I created a student object with 10 records and it contains basic student information like student name, student ID and the address, these details. Now go to mark details. This is another one object where I am going to reference this as a child for a student because a student can have multiple marks. Now I am going to create a master detail relationship object in mark details for students object. We always has to create master details in child object or all relations has to be created inside a child object only. Now go to object manager and choose mark details object, fields and relationships, new, choose master detail relationship, click next and choose the student object. This will be the parent to mark details. Give a meaningful field name, click next. Next. Save. Once I saved, I got this error. Cannot create master detail relationship because this master detail object already have a record. If the record is already there in mark details or in the child object, you cannot create master detail relationship in child object. So you have to remove it. Right now I am deleting it. It is not a better practice. In other video, I will explain how to do this. A better practice. Now I am once again creating master details field. Save. Now master detail field for student has been created in mark details object. Now let me show how to link student object in mark details by creating a new record. Student name. This is the student master details field. You have to choose any student for saving the record. Choose someone and click save. Now let me create a new record without choosing any student. It should throw an error. It's throwing error because it is a master detail relationship. If it is a lookup, it won't throw that error. I'm going to create some more records to explain a point. Here in mark details, I created 3 exam details for 3 different students. Term 1 belongs to Raghu and term 2 belongs to Baiju and term 3 belongs to Anto. Now I am going to delete any one of the student. Let's see what happens to this child record if I delete it. Now I am going to delete Baiju student record. The record has been deleted successfully. Now let's see mark details object. See, the term 2 also deleted automatically because master detail relationship, if parent is not there, child record also will be deleted automatically. That's all about master details relationship. To explain about lookup relationship, I created an object called class and student. Class object contains class names and student object contains student details like student name, age, student ID, etc. Here, in this lookup relationship, student acts as a child for class object. Here class is a parent object. So in object manager, I am going to create a lookup field for student object. The note point is you have to create relationship in child object only, whether it is a lookup or master details. Click new, fields and relationship, choose lookup relationship, click next and choose class object and click next. Give some meaningful name and click next, next and next. Save. Go to the student object, refresh it. Now you get to see the class field is enabled here. You have to choose any class. I am choosing class A and save it. Now go to the class object and delete class A. Now, as it is a lookup field, even if you delete the parent record, the child record should not be deleted. You can see the child record is intact. Just class has been removed from the child object. That's all about lookup relationship. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.